Basketball Special Awards. The mark of true greatness is the ability to improve each season. And one player significantly raised his performance this year, making him hands down the Atherton Most Improved Player of the season. Handing out the plaque in 7,000 worth of products and 10,000 pesos in cash. From Atherton is Mr. Willie De Los Santos, Senior Consultant from Atherton Weight Gain. Ladies and gentlemen, from merely averaging 6.7 points, 2.8 rebounds, and 1.6 assists in season 71, he upped his stats to 14.6 points, 5.8 rebounds, and elite best, 5 assists and outing this year. The Atherton Most Improved Player of the season is Mr. Paul